Hello everyone, my name is Rashid Malik and in this video I'll teach you how to create a Shopify website something like this with a beautiful header, the About Us section, a section for the collections and also a featured collections where you can display your products and a authentication badges over here with a beautiful footer and the header and also all the other options to make a successful Shopify website. But before we start creating the website, make sure to like this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, I have divided the process of creating Shopify website or you can say store in just 8 simple steps. Make sure to follow all the steps in order to create a website just like I have shown you in the beginning. Okay, now the first step in our list is to create the Shopify account. Now in order to create the Shopify account, I have mentioned the link down below in the description. Make sure to follow that link and it will land you on this page. Now here you just need to enter your email address. Now just click on start free trial. Okay, now here you need to enter the password and also your store name. When you're entering your store name, make sure it is unique, otherwise Shopify won't allow you towards the next step. Okay, now just click on create your store. Okay, now here it will ask you a few questions. You can answer them or you can just skip this step. It's all up to you. Okay, now here you need to enter your business details or you can say your address. Just fill up all the information. Okay, I have just inserted all my information and once you do that, just click on enter my store. Okay, once you click on enter my store, it will automatically create your Shopify account and also a basic Shopify store. Let me show you the basic store. Okay, you can see that this is our basic store. Now this is our Shopify dashboard. From here we will be controlling our website from designing to adding products and also managing customers and all the marketing things. Okay, now we have this step completed. Let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, the next step is to install the theme or app. Now you might be wondering, we already have the theme installed, why we need the other one? Actually the Shopify have lots of free themes, but they all are basics. You won't be able to create a professional or good looking Shopify website. So for this purpose, I have mentioned the link of another theme down below in the description. Make sure to follow that link and it will land you on this page. Okay, now here you can see this button over here, free download. Just click on it and now just enter your name and email. Okay, now click on free download now. Okay, now you need to enter your store name. So your store name is this one, like zpnstore.myshopify.com. You may have a different one. Just copy the store name. Let's go back here, enter your store name. Make sure to remove all the slashes and https. Just enter your store name. Okay, now just click on free download now. It will automatically redirect you towards your Shopify dashboard and it will ask you for the authentication. Just click on install unlisted app. Okay, perfect. Now we have the Beautify app installed. Now the next step is to click on download the theme. Just click on download theme, add to theme library. It will take just few seconds and it will upload the theme on your theme library in your Shopify dashboard. Okay, perfect. Now the theme is added in our Shopify dashboard successfully. Let's see if we have the theme in our theme library. Just go to your dashboard, online store and themes. Okay, now you can see here we have the theme, but it is not published yet. Just click on action and publish and now click publish the theme. Okay, now we have the theme uploaded and also published. Now the next step is to delete the Beautify app. Okay, now the reason is by default they will start the 14 days free trial and after 14 days they can charge your card. So for this purpose I would suggest removing this app from your Shopify app store. But if you want to keep it, you can definitely keep it, and you can try their different features that are really good when it comes to getting more conversions and sales. For example, if I show you few of them, this is their store, this is their demo store. Let's go to any product in the store just to show you few features. Okay, now you can see these two features here, they are not normally available in any theme. And this save button over here, this animated add to cart, this secure checkout badge here, visitor counter, and the shipping system here, and also this floating add to cart, and this bundle buying feature. There are tons of other features also available in this theme. You can definitely try and see if they work for you. But we're going to remove this app because we're just going to use the free version of the theme. Just go to the apps and click on delete. Just click delete. Okay, perfect. Now we have our theme installed and published. Let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, this step is completed. Okay, the next step is to add products and collections. Let's go back to Shopify dashboard and add products. Now, before adding any products on your Shopify website, first you should create the collection. Just go to the products and click on collections. We already have the home collection here. We need to create another one. Just click on create collection and give it a title. Okay, now here you can add the image of that specific collection. Just drag and drop the image, or you can just select add image and upload it from your laptop or computer. I think it's not working. Just click on add image, and it's in my documents, Shopify, and here it is. Okay, now we have the collection image uploaded. Now just select the manual one. Believe me, this will save you lots of your time and also save you from mess. Just click on manual and click save. Okay, now let's go back to all products here and click on add product. Just give the title of your product here. Now here add the description of your product, and let's go further down, and here you can add the images of your product. Just click on add files and select the images you want to upload to your product. Okay, perfect. Now let's go further down. Now here you need to add the pricing of that specific product. Okay, now here you can add the available quantity of that product. For example, I'll just add a number of 100 and also select this option. For example, if you have the product out of stocks, it will still continue selling if you have your product out of stock. So this way you won't lose any of your customers. Okay, now here you need to select the collection. For example, we have the men and also this home page. I'll show you the benefit of this home page collection when we will be designing our store. Okay, now just click on active. Now let's see, we have all the information over here. Just give it a review. Okay, collection selected, pricing is here, this one, perfect. Now just click on save. Just go to all products again. Now you can see we have our product live here. Okay, now I will be adding more products and more collections into it, and we'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, I have just uploaded almost 8 products and also created another collection. Let's go to collections over here. You can see I have a woman collection, and I have replaced the home page collection name with this all collection name. So we have created the collections and we also have uploaded the product. Now this step is completed, and let's see what's the next step. Okay, now the next step is to setting up our Shopify store, like choosing a plan and also setting up payment system. Okay, this is really important step because without this step you won't be able to receive payments and your customer won't be able to check out. Let me show you why I'm asking for choosing a plan and setting up payment system. Now let me just go to my store over here. Just go to any of the products just to show you what I'm talking about here. If I just click on add to cart and checkout, now you can see the checkout is not available. The reason is we haven't selected the plan. And if we have selected the plan, the user won't be able to pay us because we haven't set up the payment gateway. Like in order to receive payments in our bank account, we need to set up the payment system. Okay, now for this purpose, let's go back to our Shopify dashboard and now just go to the home. Just go to home page of the dashboard and from here just click on select a plan. Okay, now the one of the most used package and the package I would recommend is the basic Shopify plan. Just click on choose plan and from here select the payment cycle. Just I'll select just monthly and from here you can select the payment method to pay the Shopify. I'll select the credit card and now I'll just add my credit card here. Okay, I have just inserted my credit card over here. Okay, now the next step is to just click on start plan. Okay, now your credit card will be charged after 14 days because we have just started the 14 days trial. Okay, now the next step is to set up the payment gateway in order to receive the payments from the customers. Just go to settings over here and from here just go to payments. Okay, now you can see I have the Shopify payments option available over here, and if somehow in your country this option is not available, just scroll down and click on choose third party provider. Now from here you can choose the payment gateway that is being supported in your country, but for now we're just going to use the Shopify payments. Okay, now just click on activate Shopify payments. Okay, perfect. Now we have our Shopify payments enabled. And before you activate the Shopify payments, it will also ask you to add your bank details. Make sure to add your all the bank details and also your business detail in order to receive payments from Shopify. Now we have our Shopify payments enabled. If we just go to our store over here, sorry, this is the old page. And if I just go to the catalog over here, just select any product. Now click on add to cart, checkout. Okay, perfect. Now we have the checkout option over here and also our payment is enabled in order to get payments from our customers or users who are going to buy the products from our store. Okay, now we have this step also completed. Let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, now the next step is to adding pages and also legal pages. Let's head over to Shopify dashboard and just go to online store here, click on pages, click on add page. Now here you can just name your page, like I'm gonna be adding about us page. Okay, here add the about us description. I'm just gonna be adding the dummy text here and click save. Okay, let's add another page and that is contact us page. And now we don't need to add anything over here, just select the template over here is contact and click save. It will automatically create a contact us page for us. Okay, now we need to add the legal pages. Just go to the setting over here and click on legal. Okay, now just click on create from template. It will automatically create the refund policy and all the other pages. Create from template, you can definitely edit them and amend them and make them as per your requirements. Now again, terms of service, create from template, and here shipping policy, you can add your own shipping policy over here. I'm just going to be adding the dummy text here. Okay, perfect. Now click on save. Now we have successfully created the pages and also legal pages. Let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, the next step is to create the navigation menu. Let's go back to Shopify dashboard and click on online store and navigation. Okay, now here we need to create two types of navigation, one for the header and one for the footer. We already have these navigation created. We just need to edit them and add our pages. Let's click on main menu. First set up this main menu here. Let's edit this one to shop, apply changes, and also let's add few other items here. Add menu and collections here, men, add. I'll just drag and put it under the shop. Another one, collections and women, add. Okay, perfect. Now we have the shop menu created. Let's add other pages. Go on, add menu item, pages, about us, add. In the same way another one. Okay, now we have our main menu created successfully. Just click on save menu, and now let's go back and add the footer items. Just delete this one, click on add menu, just scroll down, click on policies, privacy policy. Okay, perfect. Now we have all our legal pages inserted in the footer menu. Just click on save menu. Okay, now we have our main menu and also footer menu created. This step is also completed successfully. Let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, now the next step is designing and customizing Shopify website. Now this is the most important step, because in this step we're going to be designing our whole store. And the reason we were doing all the other steps like adding products, creating navigation and pages and payment gateway and each and everything, so that we don't have to move back and forth in order to set up things when we are creating and customizing our store. Now we already have everything set up. Now we will just go to our store and design it, customize it, and make it look the way we want it. Okay, now just go to the online store here, click on customize. Okay, now you can see we have this main navigation over here, and these are all our legal pages. We have this contact information already here. We have this subscription box here. Now we just need to design our store the way we want it. Okay, now in order to start designing, just scroll down and click on add section. We're going to add this first banner over here, and just scroll down, and from here select slideshow. Okay, now just click on select, and from here we need to add slides. You can add a slideshow over here, or you can add a single header image. In my case, I'm going to be adding just single image over here. Just click on add slide. Okay, now click on select image. I'll just upload it from my laptop. Okay, this is banner image. Just click on open. Just click on select again. Okay, now we have our image uploaded here. You can see how beautiful it is looking, and you can also upload a different image for the mobile. It's all up to you. You can also try these options like aligning the text from center to left and right. You can also add the slide link, and here you can see this is the title of the slideshow. Okay, now here you can change the title or add the title. You can change the description, just add any description you may have, and you can also align the text from left to right, and also you can align the text for the mobile. And if you go further down, you can also change the font of this heading and also the description. Now we have these two buttons over here. You can also edit them. For example, the first one is the shop now, and it is going towards this shop page. You can see all products link here, and this learn more is also going towards the shop, but we will move it towards the about page. Just click on cross icon over here, and pages, and the about us page. Perfect. Now when someone clicks on learn more, they will automatically redirect it toward the about us page. Okay, you can also change the button style, for example full, you can see that, and also outline and the default one. It's all up to you how you want your buttons to look like. Okay, perfect. Now we have our first section successfully created. Let's go back and create other sections. Okay, now we're gonna be adding another section, that is our about us section. Just click on add section and let's scroll down, and this one image with text. Okay, now you can see that we have this section over here. Just click on select, and here you can add the image. Just click on select image. I'll just use the same image we have used for the banner, and let's scroll down. Now here you can see you can adjust the text size. You can also adjust the text alignment, image alignment. For example, if I just click on right, you can see our image moves over here. Just keep it in left. You can also adjust the text alignment. For example, right, it will move towards the right one. For the center, towards the center one. Okay, now here you can change the heading of your about us section. For example, I'll be adding over here about us, and in this text box you can add the about us text. Let's go further down. You can also add the button under that, like read more or something like that. Just give it a label, or you can say name it. Okay, now you can link it to any page of your shop. I'll just link it with the about us page. Okay, now we also have our about us section created. Let's go back and create another section, and that is our featured collection. Like we will be displaying our collections over here. Now just click on add section again. Let's go further down, and here you can see collection list. Just click on this one. Okay, now just click on select, and now we can see we have three list of 3 collections over here. You can select which one you want to display over here. Just click on collection again, select. I'll be selecting for the first one, all, and let's go back over here. Now the second one, men. Let's go back, and now the third one, woman. And if you have many more collection, for example 6, 8, 10, you can add as many collection as you want to add on your home page. Okay, now let's go back over here. We have this section also created, but before we go back, let's just change this text over here, this heading. I'll just add our collection, and also I'll add the subheading. Okay, perfect. You can also change the background of this section. For example, if I select the accent background, as you can see, there's a difference between the top section on this section. You can also change the color of this section. I'll show you in next few minutes how you can change that. You can also adjust the height of this section, and okay, perfect. We can also change the styles of button. It's all up to you how you want it. And one thing more, once viewing on a mobile, or you can say on a desktop, if you have a 4 collections over here, it will automatically converted into a slideshow. But we want to display a row or grid system here. So for this purpose, just uncheck this option, and now if you add a new collection over here, it will display under that, and the other one under that, under this one and this one. It won't be like a slideshow. But if you want to have a slideshow, you can definitely enable this option over here. Okay, now let's go back and add another section, and that is adding our featured products on the home page of the website. Now click on add section again. Let's go further down. You can see this is featured collection. Just click on this one, click on select, and now from here you can add the heading, and also you can add the subheading. You can again change the background, And from here we will be selecting the collection in order to display the product on the home page. When we were creating the collections, I have asked you guys to create the homepage collection, or you can say the all collection. That was the reason we were creating this one, because when you add all the products in one collection, you can easily display it on the home page, and whenever you add a new product, it will start displaying over here. So this is really a great option. And also, if you want to add some popular products, like if you want to add some high selling products, you can also create a different collection for those products, and you can display them on the homepage of the website. This also increases your conversion rate and also gives you more sales. Just click on select collections, select all here, click on select, and now you can see we have the products here. Okay, now by default it's a slider over here, and if you want to have a grid system, I'll just go down. Where is this option? Okay, I'll just uncheck this option. This is same as I have already told you on this collection options. If you uncheck this one, it will start displaying something like that. Now let's go up, and here you can also select how many number of rows you want to show here, how many products in a row. For example, if I just select 3 over here, you will see we have 3 products in one row. And also you can select the rows on mobile. It's all up to you how you want your website. Okay, now we have this section also created. Now let's go back and let's see what we can add next. Just click on add section. Now you can see you can add the FAQs, pricing table, but I think these are with the paid version, so you can just like ignore these 2 options. Now you can also add the blog post section, and you can also add the featured content option. You can add a gallery, you can add a logo list, you can add a testimonial, you can also add a text column with images. For example, if I just select this one, now with this section you can add more information on your home page. For example, if you want to tell people more about your product, more features, and how it can benefit them, you can definitely add all these things on the website. You also have a lots of options. You can definitely play with all those and make your website look more and more professional. It's all up to you how you want your website. And also, if you want me to create a comprehensive video on this Beautify theme, just leave a comment down below, and if I see a demand, I'll definitely create another video specifically for this Beautify theme and explore each and every options. Okay, now just cancel this one. Now we're going to be adding this guarantee section over here. Just click on guarantee here, and the first option I'll just add over here, fast shipping. Okay, now by default we have this icon, and if we want to change it, just click on view available icons. As we all know, for the shipping we always use the truck, or you can say something a shipping vehicle. Just click on select the truck and just select this one, and this is the name we need to copy. Just copy this one, go back and paste the name over here. You can see we have this truck over here. Okay, you can also upload the image. If you have some graphically designed image, you can definitely upload those images as well. Let's go back, and here we will be adding 100% satisfaction. Okay, now again for the icon, just click on view all icons over here. We already had the tab. Okay, now search for the thumb, or you can add any other if you want to. Just copy it again. Let's go back and paste it over here. Okay, I'll just remove this text over from here. Same way I remove from this one. Okay, now the third option, here we will add the secure checkout. Okay, now let's go back to icons again, and here I search for the log icon. Select this one and copy the name. Just go back and paste it over here. Perfect, we have the logo over here, and we will remove the description. Again, you can add buttons, like you can see we have a button options. We can link the button to different pages. Like you have a lots and lots of features over here with this theme, and you can definitely play with it to make your website more authentic and also more professional. Okay, now let's go back, and perfect. Now we have our slideshow, we have our about us section, collections, products, and also this guarantee system over here. You can say these are the uh, trust badges over here. Now we will move towards our footer and add all the information we need to add on the footer. Okay, now let's go back to the footer. Now you can see we have the about us, we have the quick links, this one, and we have this subscription box over here. Just click on about us. Here you can add your logo, like your logo will start displaying over here, and this is the title, and also you can add the about us text over here. We already have a little bit of it, and I'm not going to be changing it. And also if you want to show the contact information or want to hide it, it's all up to you. Just uncheck these two options and it will hide your contact information. And if you want to show it, just check this one and it will start showing your contact information. Now these are the quick links, we already know what is it, and this is our subscription box. And again, if you want to add more options, like under this one, under this one, and under this one, you can just simply click on add content and you have lots of options to add over here. Now this options show payment icons, it will show payment icons over here. So social media icons, these are the social media icons. We haven't inserted the links for social media, so that's why we are not seeing any social media over here. Let's go further down. Okay, now this is show and show powered by Shopify. You can just, if you uncheck this one, you will see it will automatically remove this text. And also if you uncheck this one, show theme by the Beautify, you can see it will automatically remove this text as well. You can also, this is by default, it's written copyright 2021 and the store name. You can also add your own copyright text if you want to add. Okay, now we have this footer section also done. Let's go back and see what else we can do on our website to make it look more professional. Okay, now I'll show you few options over here. For example, this Instagram feed, just click on this one, and here you just need to add the access token, and just above the footer your Instagram feed will start displaying, and it will definitely look nice. If you want to add it, you can definitely add it on your Shopify website. Let's go back and go to the theme settings. Now from here, just go to social media, and now here you can add your social accounts links. For example, for Facebook, instead of just adding the link, I'm just gonna be adding hash, just to see how this this icon is gonna look like on our website. And now Pinterest over here, and also Instagram. Okay, now you can see we have our social icons over here, and also if we scroll up, we can see in the header. Just need to copy the link of your Facebook pages or your social media pages and paste the link over here in order to connect your social media account with your Shopify website. Now let's go back over here. Let's go back, and somehow if you want to change this this text on the top bar, just click on announcement, and here you can see you can change this text and also this message over here, free shipping, 30 days free returns. It's all up to you what you want to display on the top bar of your website. Okay, now let's go back and explore few more options. Just go to these settings, theme settings again, and from here you can see colors. Now you can see we have all the colors in this background. You can definitely change it. Just click on this one and add any colors you want to add on your website. You can also change the header background colors over here. You can also change the page colors over here, and you can also change drawer colors here. And if you are confused what is drawer, let me just go to the website. This is the desktop view, and now this is the mobile view. If we just click on this mobile menu over here, You can see this is the draw. You can see how beautiful it is. Like, this is the beauty of the website I really like. And this is the header. I have never seen such a beautiful header, and also this navigation in any theme. So that's why I would again and again recommend using this theme for your Shopify website. You can definitely try with the free version, and if you start getting any sales and making any money from here, you can definitely upgrade it toward the paid version. It's all up to you. You can see how beautiful is the drop down. No, perfect. You can change all those colors from this colors option. And if we go back over here, let's go back. This is the typography. From here you can change the fonts of your website, like how like the fonts of the headings, the fonts of the this base text. It's all up to you. And also fonts of the navigations, and lots of other options to play around. Let's go back and back over here. Okay, now let's view the website in the full screen version, and just you can see how beautiful our website is looking. Okay, now let's go back again. Let me show you another option. Let's go to desktop. Okay, now if you want to change the logo over here, just click on the header option here, and from here you can also change the menu. You can see this is the option to add your logo for, you can add a different logo for different devices. For example, you can add a different logo for the mobile, and also you can add a different logo for the desktop. And if we just go back over here, click on theme setting and go to the advanced setting here. And another option that's really beautiful in this theme is to enable or disable this transparent header. For example, if I just uncheck this option, you will see something amazing over here. Now you can see we have a different version of header as well. You can see how many options we have. We can definitely try all these options to make our website much more appealing and professional, and in a way we want to see it. Let's enable it again. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we have our store created successfully. Now let's go back and see what's the next step. Okay, we have this step completed, and now the next step is to connect your domain and make your website live. Let's go back to Shopify dashboard over here. Oh, sorry. One thing we were just gonna miss each and everything. Once you have your website created, just click on save in order to make all the changes, all the designing you have done on your website live. Now we can go to the admin dashboard. Okay, now in order to connect your domain, just go to online store, and from here go to domains. Now click on connect existing domain. Okay, and now just enter your domain name over here. Click on next. Okay, now in order to connect the domain with your Shopify store, you need to edit the DNS settings of your domain. So for this purpose, you need to log in towards the domain provider, I mean where you have purchased your domain. And I have purchased my domain from the Namecheap. If we just click on view instructions, now what I'm gonna be showing you here is not just for the Namecheap, it applies on all the others domain name provider. Just scroll down, and from here we need to copy this IP address. Just copy it. Now go to the DNS setting of your domain and click on add record. First record would be a record, and the host would be the domain itself, and here we need to add the value. Just click on save changes. Okay, now add another record over here. Is going to add, and now we were going to be adding the CNAME record. Okay, now the host is www and the target is our store name. Just copy it and paste it over here. Make sure to remove all the slashes and HTTPS. Okay, perfect. This is our store name. Now just click on save changes. Okay, now no matter where you have purchased your domain, just make sure to add the A record and also CNAME record. Just follow this step and your domain will be connected with your Shopify store. Now let's go back to our Shopify dashboard and click on verify connection. It will take just few seconds to verify if we have inserted the A record and also CNAME record. Okay, perfect. Now you can see your domain is connected successfully. Now let's just visit the website and see if our domain is connected. Okay, and now you can see we have our store live. And if you don't see your store instantly, don't worry about that, because domain propagation can take some time from few minutes to few hours. And once it is fully propagated, you will be able to see your website live. Okay, if you found any value from this video, please like this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you face any issue, just leave a comment down below in the comment box and I'll try my best to respond each and everyone. Thank you so much.